In this tutorial, I am going to show you how you can install ORP on your Windows laptop or PC and how you can use it to build any kind of website. So for it, first of all, you need to go to this link orp.dev/download, and from here you will see a lot of download option, download for Mac, Linux and Windows. Since we are using Windows, so I'm going to click on this option, Windows 10 11 64-bit. I'll just click here and it will start downloading. There you can see it started downloading, and there you can see download is complete. So when the download is complete, all you need to do is that you just need to double click on the downloaded file. Then here you can see install for me recommended, click on that and you can choose where you want to install ORP. So I'll keep the default location, then click on next and we'll create the desktop icon, and you should also make sure that you have checked this on as well, add ORP to path. Then click on next, then click on install, and it will install ORP in our system. And there you can see it's done, and here you can see we have an icon here. This is the ORP icon, as you can see. So right now if we click on finish, it will automatically open ORP. There you can see welcome to ORP. So we need to sign up first, so I'm going to click here sign up, and I will continue with my Google account. I will choose my Gmail, then click on continue, and there you can see it's done. So I'm going to check this on, always allow app.orp.dev. So I'm going to click here open ORP, and there you can see it is showing us this in the ORP, welcome to ORP. So I'm going to click here get started. So at the beginning it will show you theme option, which theme you want to use. You can use the dark mode, light mode. So I'm going to use this theme, then click on next. So here it will show you two options. Here the first option is paid, you have to pay $18 per month, and here you can see this is the free version. So we are going to choose this one, then click here get ORP, and there you can see it's done. So I'll just click next, and I'm going to select this enable natural language detection, then click here finish. So there you can see our ORP terminal is open. So right now what I'm going to do is let me just close this and let me just go to my folder, and I'll go to my new volume E, and here I'm going to create a folder. Let's say the folder name will be or project, you can name it anything. Then we'll go inside this folder, and here in this folder location I'm just going to right click here, then click on show more option, and it will show you this option. Here you can see open or in new window, so it will show you this option. So I'm going to click on this, and it will open the ORP terminal over here, you can see, and here you can see it is also showing us the folder location E or project. So here what we are going to do is we can just give a command and ORP can generate a project for us, and there is a lot of benefit of using ORP. There you can see we have a lot of option here. You can check those option later, but let me just create a simple website using ORP. So I'm just going to give a simple prompt over here. I want to build a simple blog website for happy life using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Add some animation, neon effect, and maybe some relevant images in the website, and press enter. So right now ORP will start building our website, and we're going to give auto approve over here, and there you can see it is complete. So let me just refresh over here. Okay, it actually created a folder over here. Maybe I did a mistake while choosing the path. So here you can see happy life blog. Let me just open this, and here you can see index.html. So if I just double click here, there you can see it added some relevant images, and the website design is really awesome. So there's a lot of things that you can do with ORP. ORP is a really awesome terminal. There you can see all the details that you just did. We made a website just a minute ago, and here you can see you can create a new conversation. You can open another tab. You can open two agents at the same time to build your project faster. So yeah, there's a lot of things that you can try in orb. You can also see the folder location here as well. There you can see here happy life block. So yeah, this is how you can install and use orb in Windows. I hope this was useful. Make sure to subscribe and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.